Hi guys. You can see here how much I earn in just 1 week. You also can earn money like this. If you want to earn money online per day $20 to $50, then this video is just for you. Watch this video until the end and without skipping. If you want to earn money online, in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money online by just answering a few questions and doing some tasks for free. If you're looking for a way to earn money online, then this video is for you. You'll see how easy it is to start earning money from home and get started today or anywhere in the world. Okay guys, if you have a laptop, desktop, or any mobile device with internet connection, so you are one step away from starting to earn money online. Okay guys, I will share with you one of the best websites where you can earn money online for $15 to $20 per day just by answering some questions and doing some tasks. If you want to know the secrets of succeeding online, don't skip this video because it will help you grow your income stream. But before we start, welcome to Story Insider, where we teach you how to make money online. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay guys, today we talk about the Ysense website. You might think no one will pay you to take surveys, but luckily, Ysense bucks that trend. Survey rewards are deposited quickly after completion, so it's perfect if you've got bills piling up. You can continue your work from home schedule without losing out on extra income. The popularity of completing surveys online is rapidly increasing. Seemingly, it's way more simple than many people think. All you have to do is create a profile, and survey sites will immediately register you as a potential participant in their surveys. It's simple. Set up an account by signing up right now. Ysense doesn't charge you anything to join. It's completely free. You'll make most of your money through surveys, offers, and tasks. Next, if you haven't already made your profile, please complete your survey profile. By filling out this survey, you'll be giving them a better idea of what surveys fit you best. When you sign up, you'll automatically get suggestions of surveys that are perfect for your needs. The next step is to read up on a few tips and tricks from the pros in our forum. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set. Click on any of the survey links made available to you to start making money now. We wish you the best of luck. Okay guys, on this website you can cash out so easily. Minimum $5 to maximum $50 you can cash out when you reach the threshold. You can cash out by PayPal, Amazon gift card, Payout, Skrill, Steam, and the rewards link Italy. Okay guys, now I will show you how to sign up on the Ysense website. First you go to the top right corner, see here, and click the Join Now. Then write down your email and password to join in. Next you put your first name and last name. Now you can write any username you like. Lastly, give some information about you to get a good survey. Already you are done. When you complete your profile, then you come to this dashboard. Here is the dashboard you can see about survey, offers, affiliate, cash out, forum, and more. In the forum, you can find all the real users who earn money online doing surveys and offers. They are real users who earn money online every day and post their online earnings in forum posts. Okay guys, you can earn money online doing surveys. Per surveys give you maximum $2 to minimum 10 cents. And it takes time 5 minutes to 15 minutes per survey. Maybe now the question is in your mind, how much you can earn money online from this website? Okay guys, my answer is you can earn money online $20 per day doing just 40 to 50 surveys. And monthly you can earn money $500 to $600 just doing this. And it depends on your time and your work. Okay guys, even you can earn money, accept some offer. What you need to do here is just download some games and play a few days to level up your games that you download from the offer section and get paid. Every offer you complete you can earn money $10 to $40, just complete the offer. Okay guys, next is an affiliate program. In this section you can share your affiliate link to your family member or friends. And you also get a sign-up commission 10 cents to 30 cents per referral. Once your referrals earn their first $5, you will also earn an extra $2 bonus. Okay guys, every time they do a survey successfully, and you get 20% commission from their earnings. So try to share your affiliate link to more people. And you also can make more money. That's it. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.